Hello, guys. Do you have any doubts? Are you clear? Shall we start packages?
Yes, sir.
My attendance is too low today. What is the reason? Only 19 to 18 members. What about remaining? I think 6 to 7 people are missing. And please remind me to take attendance while closing the session. Okay, Sandeep. Please remind me to take attendance. I will forget.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I guess they have,
Papa?
sir, I guess they have exam today. It's 8th of August.
Maybe. Okay. I think from tomorrow onwards they are free. So from tomorrow onwards we can have 4 hour session, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. I mean, not 4 hours. We can have the session till 1:30. Hmm. So packages. I mean, do you know what is a package? Did you use any packages in your program till now? What is meant by package? Anybody? You will receive a packages from Amazon. Okay, that is also package. What is meant by package? Not in Java. What is meant by package in real world? So package is a one container which can have the different items. Like when you receive a one particular okay, gift box from Amazon, okay, that is a package. Okay, in that package you can have a different items. Okay, so as similar to that, okay, in Java we have a packages. Okay, package is a one container or a folder, you can say. Okay, package is nothing but a one folder. In literally you can say folder. Okay, so package is a container which is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces, packages, and all. Okay, package is a container which can have group of similar classes, interfaces, and subpackages. That is meant by the package. So generally in Java we have a two different types of packages. Okay, packages are two in types. Okay, so the first one is built-in package or system packages, you can say. First one is built-in packages. Second one is user-defined packages. User-defined packages. So did you use any built-in packages in your program?
Yes, sir. You tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you are reading the input from the user, you are using util project. I mean util. So util dot scanner. Okay. When you are using a math library, like when you are performing a Armstrong number program and all. Okay, we are importing some lang package. Okay, in the lang package we can import the math class. Okay, so you can import different types of classes from the Java package. Java is the main package which has a different sub packages here, like language package, utility package, IO package, SQL package. Okay, Java is the main package. So, okay, Java is the library, and these are the different packages that are available in the Java library. Okay, so these are all like utility package, IO package, something lang package, SQL package, and etc. etc. These are all the different built-in packages where you can have the, I mean, different features. Okay, you can have a different things. Okay, so coming to the user defined packages. Okay, if you create any package by your own, that is meant by the user defined packages. Okay, so by using these packages we can have the advantages like so I mean you can structure your project. Okay, all the classes and the interface can easily maintain, and I mean so you can have a access production as well. And if you I mean so there is a naming collisions because we don't know about the names of a methods now. So that's why we didn't have a naming collisions at all when you are using a packages. Okay, so the main advantages of packages are something like classes and interfaces can easily organized can be easily organized or maintained. And second one, so packages provides access to production to your data. Access production, and removes naming collisions. These are the advantages of packages. Okay. So let's create one package. Okay, let's create a package. So when you want to create a package, you have to write one basic Java program for sure. So when you are writing a Java program, the package name should be the first line of the code. Okay, your package name should be the first line of your code. Okay, so here I want to use some packages. Okay, so I'm writing some comments. Working with packages. Okay, so when you are developing a packages, no, you can have one, one important point here. You can name your project, name your package as reverse of your domain name. Okay, do you know what is meant by domain name? Domain name in web applications or in internet. What is meant by domain name in the internet? Array, you know that different domains. Array, you are using Facebook, no? So how can you access Facebook in the Google Chrome?
using the link.
Using the link. That link consists of the domain name. Domain name is nothing but a facebook.com, instagram.com, youtube.com, anideep.org, bhaskarsai.in. Okay, this is meant by the domain name. Okay, address of your website. Okay, so when you are designing a package, when you are creating a package, you have to use the reverse domain names. Okay, for example, we are Anideep people, so you can have org.anideep. Actually, our website name is anideep.org, so you can write org.anideep because which creates a best practice of projects. When you are creating a different projects, you have to create a something package names like this. Okay, com dot your package. Your project name. For example, employee management system. Okay, EMP manage system. Okay, like this. En dot Bhaskara. So when you are creating a packages, you have to use the reverse domain names. Okay, it is not a mandatory, but a very recommended to use. Okay, so the only developer can understand these things. Okay, when you are creating a packages, okay, you have to use reverse domain for sure. Okay, don't create any package like my simple one package. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, so you have to write a code by professionally, right? So you have to write professional code, you have to write a neat code, okay, clean code. So okay, these are the important things when you are writing the clean code or a professional code. Okay, so here I want to create a one package called package something in dot Bhaskara. Okay, So actually my domain name is bhaskarsites.in, so I can use in.bhaskar. You can use any name, like you can use in.sandeep, or you can use com.sandeep, com.priyanshu, you can use anything. Okay, but that should be in a reverse domain format. That's it. That is the important thing here. Okay, so in the, I mean, where I created a package. Now I have to create a class, right? Class, something, my simple class or something, my simple. And in the my simple class, I want to create one object, I mean one method. Hmm, public void display name string s, which is expecting strings. Okay, string username. Okay, I can print this username in my talk dot out dot println. Okay. Hello username. Okay, if the user and user gave Bhaskar, okay, I want to print hello Bhaskar. If user gave something like Sandeep, okay, we have to print hello Sandeep. Okay, so that's why I created a one class, and in the class, okay, I had one, one method called display name. Okay, let's save this program. Okay, save this program as mysimple.java. Mysimple.java. We successfully saved our okay thing. And I forgot one thing here. Okay, your package name must be ended with a semicolon. You have to use the semicolon for the packages for sure. Okay, let's compile this program. Okay, when you are compiling a package program, okay, when you are having a package in your program, you have to use some different structure than the normal compile. In the normal compilation, we have a same syntax like java c space program name.java, right? But when you are using packages in your program, so you have to use one, I mean, one bit different syntax than the normal syntax. Okay, so here I can use java c. Okay, java c is a java compiler, and hyphen d. Okay, hyphen d and dot. Okay, hyphen d indicates directory. You have to create a directory. Hyphen d indicates directory, and a dot indicates the name of the directory. Okay, so dot is nothing but I want to create a directory. I mean, directory is nothing but a folder that you know already. Okay, so I want to name my folder as similar to the my package name. Okay, and I mean, I have to create a package called, I mean, I have to create one folder called in that particular in folder. Okay, I'll have another folder called Bhaskar. In that Bhaskar folder, I want to store my simple class file. Okay, so let's compile this program. Okay, my simple.java. Okay, enter. Okay, successfully compiled. Okay, let's check for the folder structure in our computer. Slot one. See, our program stored in fourth folder, okay, eighth folder, 80801. Okay, so here we have a my simple Java file. Okay, my simple Java file. Okay, so we have created one for, I mean, folder structure here. See, in is the folder. In the in folder, I have another folder called Bhaskara. In the another folder, I stored my class file. Okay, this is how you need to compile, okay, a package program. When you are compiling a package program, you have to use, okay, java c keyword along with hyphen d. Hyphen d is nothing but a directory. To create a directory, it is an instruction to create a directory. And dot, okay, dot is the name of the directory. The name of the directory should be as similar to our package, so that's why I used dot here. And our program name, my simple dot java. Okay, this is the structure for compilation of our particular code. Okay, is it clear? Is everything clear for you, boys?
So we don't need a main method here.
Yeah, we will create a main method. So we just compile the code. We are not running the code, no?
Okay, okay.
Now I want to create a main method. Hmm? And I'll take another new file. In that new file, I want to create a one main method. Okay. So, and I want to store that I mean, I want to store the main method in the same folder. Okay, so package, in dot Bhaskara, semicolon, and you have to import this particular code. Okay, you have to import this simple code, right? Because you need to create an object for simple class. Okay, by using the object of simple class only, you have to use the display name. Okay, when you are using the scanner class, you are importing the scanner, then you are creating the object for scanner, right? And very similar to that particular structure, you have to import this display, I mean from the in.Bhaskara. Okay, see, import in.Bhaskara. Okay, dot star. Okay, I want to import all the files in the Bhaskara class, Bhaskara package. Okay, so now let's create a one main method. Okay, so just please give me some name na for my main class. I'm very bad at naming things. Hey, suggest me some name, Dan. We already used Java class, we have design class, full stack class. You are not suggesting anything to me. Please help me there. Okay, I'm creating a full stack class. Okay. In the full stack class, I will have a main method, public static void main. Okay. So in this particular class, okay, I want to create an object for my simple class. Okay, my simple. Okay, ms equal to new my simple. Okay, so MySimple is a class which is created by us, and we are creating a object for that particular class. And by using ms, we have to import. I mean, we have to import the name, display name method, display name, and we have to pass one name. I mean, one string variable. So I'm passing Bhaskar here. Okay, so let's save this program as well. Full stack dot Java. Okay, successfully saved. Let's compile this particular program. Okay, same syntax, Java C space minus t my sorry full stack dot Java. Successfully compiled. Now we need to execute this full stack class. Okay, now we need to execute this full stack class. When you are executing, okay, when you are executing a class which is in a particular package, then you have to use, okay, then you have to use the proper class name structure. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, Java space. Okay, so where is our full stack folder? I mean, full stack class file. Where is our full stack class file? So full stack class file is in folder. In the in folder we have a Bhaskara folder. In the Bhaskara folder we have a full stack class. So we need to run this full stack class file, right? So when you want to run this full stack class file, you have to use the complete path, absolute path. Okay, in dot Bhaskara dot full stack. Enter. See, we got hello Bhaskar here. Okay, so here we created a two different programs. Okay, those two programs stored in one particular package. We are importing the package, okay, by using the import keyword, and we are executing the values. Okay, is everything clear here, or do I need another program to explain?
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay, fine. I'll remove this. I'll remove the entire code. You are okay with this file, na? Or shall I remove this also? Sandeep,
This is okay, sir.
this is okay. Okay. So here in our, I mean, here I am creating a one basic, okay, package, and let's delete these packages, na. Let's delete this folder. Okay, I am deleting in folder. Okay, permanently delete. Yes. See, okay, in 08 folder we doesn't have any, okay, folders. Okay, so I want to execute this particular program now. Okay, I want to execute this program. Okay, so when you are executing this program, we have a packages. Okay, we want to store this program in a special package file. Okay, we want to store this program in a special package file, right? So to create the packages, to execute, to compile this particular program along with the packages, we have to use a different syntax to compile. Okay, so when you are using the packages in your project, so you have to use Java C keyword. Java C is the keyword to compile the program that you all know, and the hyphen D. Hyphen D is used to indicate the create a new directory, and the new directory name should be dot. Okay, dot means okay as similar to the packages. Okay, I want to create a new directory with the name of my package, so that's why I used a dot here. And our program name is MySimple, so MySimple.java. Okay, successfully compiled. Now you have to go to the structure. Okay, see, okay, there is a in folder. In the in folder, you have a Bhaskara. In the Bhaskara, you have a MySimple class. Okay, here we stored our program. Okay, now, okay, you can use this particular class file to run your program. Okay, so to run this program, to use this particular program, I want to create a another class which is having the main. Okay, without main we can't run any Java file, that you know already. Okay, so I want to create one main class. In the main class, I want to pass the value for this display name method. Okay, this display name method, as similar to the, okay, we are accessing the next int method which is available in the scanner class. Okay, we are accessing the next int method by using the object of a scanner class, right? So did you remember the syntax?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same syntax we have to use. Okay, so and I want to store this program in the same folder package. Okay, in dot Bhaskara. Okay, and and so we need to import that particular code, right? We need to import this MySimple class to our project. Okay, so how can you import a scanner class by using import method? So you are importing scanner class, like, import java dot util dot star. Okay, as similar to that, import in dot Bhaskara dot star. Okay, both are very similar in structure, different in names. That's it. Okay, so let's write another class here which is named as a full stack. Okay, I'm creating a class as a full stack. In the full stack class, I'll have a one main method. Okay, I'll have a one main method. Okay, the let's write the main method here. Public static void main. Okay, in the main method, I want to create a object for simple class which is available in the Bhaskara package. Okay, so my simple, I'm creating the object for my simple. My simple ms equal to new my simple. My simple ms equal to new my simple. Okay, by using this my simple class, okay, I want to access display name method. I want to access the display name method. Okay, my sorry ms dot, okay, display name method, display name. Okay, display name is expecting some string. Okay, so I mean, how do you know about this simple class has this display method and this particular things? We don't know about this now, so let's know about those things. Okay, use java p keyword, java p in dot Bhaskara, okay, dot star, sorry, in dot Bhaskara dot my simple. Okay, when you are using a java p keyword, okay, when you are using a java p keyword, okay, I am using in dot Bhaskara dot simple. Okay, we don't, I mean, so even if you see this particular class file, okay, so you don't know about the method name and all, right? You don't know about the method which is specified in the MySimple class. Okay, we don't know about the method. So that's why I'm using the reference. Okay, so we have special command in Java, which is a Java P. By using the Java P, you can have the structure of one particular class. See, we have the structure of one particular class MySimple. Okay, in the MySimple class, okay, we have a one method, right? See, we have one method called display name, which is expecting string. So java.lang.string. So you have to initiate this display method while while passing the some arguments, some string arguments. You can you can use this java p to know the methods which are available in that particular class. So there is only one method in the mysimple class, which is a display name, and that display name method is expecting that display name is expecting one string variable. So see, copy the name here, copy the name, and paste it here. Oh, sorry, okay, it's not done. Display name. I created one display name method, and we have to pass one string args. See, you can see, you can pass string arguments. So I'm passing something, Java, and save this program. So we need to compile this program as well, right? So Java C space, again we need to use a similar syntax, -d dot and fullstack.java successfully compiled. Now you have to write, you have to execute the things. Java, this full stack class stored in.bhaskara folder. In.bhaskara, in that particular thing you have a full stack class. Let's compile this code, sorry, run this code. Full stack, see, we have hello Java here. So by using this particular thing, you can have the access protection. You don't know about the syntax of display name, but you are using. This is meant by the data abstraction and encapsulation as well. You are combining two different packages in main method. You are importing the code in the other package in the main method. So here we are successfully using data abstraction along with the encapsulation. So we are hiding the implementation details of display name. So by seeing this full stack class, or by seeing this mysimple class, do you know what is the things that involved in the particular classes? No, we don't know about those things. So we have to achieve data abstraction by using either interface, by using either abstract classes along with the packages, along with these packages. And here we are performing data encapsulation also. Data encapsulation is nothing but wrapping the code along with the method. Code along with the data of the method. So we are using display name method. So the coding of this particular method is not available, because we are combining data, we are combining the different resources of data in our main method. This is what meant by the data encapsulation, wrapping of code and data together. So in the main method we are wrapping the code and data. Guys,
Yes, sir.
what about others? You are so silent. What's happened to you? Is everyone clear about these things? So we need to, we need to pay more concentration here, because the things are getting complex day by day. So we have three concepts to complete the core Java. After completing the core Java, we can have Java collection. After Java collections, we can have the things like um, JDBC. After JDBC, we have to know about the JUnit. After JUnit, we have to know about Hibernate. So till now we discussed a lot of things. Now we are moving into the advanced things. So please pay attention here. And I want to know, how are you liking the course? Is that okay? How is the content of my class? Is that okay to you? Are you getting enough knowledge? Are you satisfied with my content?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is going well.
Okay. because we are I mean we have to develop two different projects, right? So in the August 30, okay, so do you know August 30 your interim assessment date with Capgemini? August 30, August 30 is very near, only we have 20 days. So you have to be ready with the interim assessment. The people who passed in the interim assessment only eligible for Capgemini interview. Okay, if you successfully qualified the interim assessment, half of the job done. Okay, आराम से you'll get a job for sure if you complete that interim assessment. So please concentrate on the things. Okay, if you are having any doubt, okay, please let me know. Don't feel hesitate. As I already told you, I like this batch so much, so I want to place at least 70% of people from this batch. At least 70 people, 70% of people. As a Java developer in CG or a Essential, anything. But I mean, for Java developer, okay, there is a lot of openings in CG. There is a lot of growth also. There is a huge growth. If you work, I mean, if you have an experience of 2 years in a Java, okay, like in a Spring Boot and Angular and all, okay, definitely you will have 100 percentage to 200 percentage of hike. If anybody asked you why you are learning Java, okay, please explain them the importance of Java. Okay, I know for the next 20 years to 20 years, minimum at least 20 years, for the next 20 years, nobody can beat Java. Java is so strong than the Python. Okay, if you want to develop any banking application, you can't develop banking application with Python, right? Okay, because there is a lot, I mean, there is insecurities in Python. So if you use Python, hackers definitely crack your website for sure. Because I mean, hackers are so powerful in Python. But when comes to for the Java, okay, the firewall which is in Java is very stronger. There is no firewall stronger than the Java in this planet. There is no firewall. There is no competition for the Java firewall. So better to concentrate on these advanced techniques. Don't think about the basic school things like for loop, while loop, problem solving skills. Those are the children things. Okay, though I mean those things are very important but not needed now. Okay, you need this type of advanced techniques. So better to gain as much as knowledge possible. Okay. Hmm. I think we are done with packages. Okay, so did you have any doubt in this? Okay, so I think you created a something, I forgot the name. You created a banking application, right? Many of people created a banking applications.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to create banking applications along with these packages. Okay, you have to separate the different classes. Okay, so I mean, what are the classes that available in banking project? Ketan? I think we have one main class, right, Ketan? Banker class. Banker is.
Yes, sir. One main class.
Hmm. And we have another class also, which is a customer, right? So in the customer
Yes,
class,
sir.
we had a one constructor and we had a okay different methods like deposit, withdraw, pin change, like this. Okay, so you have to separate the code there. Okay, we used only one particular Java file to establish the communication between two different things. Now you need to create two different Java files. In one Java file, you have to create a customer class. In the another Java file, you have to create a banker class. Those are linked. Those are linked in a one particular package. You have to import the package. Now you can create an object for the customer class. You have to do like that. Can you differentiate that code? Okay, you need to differentiate that. That's it. Okay, you have to remove the code of customer class in our Java file. Okay, you can create a new Java file. Okay, paste the new Java customer class in the new Java file and save those things in a one particular package. Okay, are you getting my points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we are we are combining the mysimple class along with the full stack class, right? So this like this. Okay, you have to create a banker class in the place of full stack, and you have to create a customer class in the place of mysimple. Okay, mysimple can have different methods like, you know, deposit, create account, withdraw money, so on so. And in the full stack, in the banker class, you can create a object for customer and you can create a new customers into the bank. Okay, so that's what you have to do for tomorrow. Can you do it for it tomorrow?
Sir, we have to create two classes,
Yes, you have to create a two classes like this, full stack and
customer
web.
and banker.
Yeah, so you
Sir,
need to store
in
those
customer classes, what is the method we use?
you can use the deposit method and all. You can create a
Okay,
deposit, withdraw amount, and a
okay,
constructor.
okay, sir.
Anybody having doubts in completing that particular thing? Rupa, Rahul, Ashtosh, Divya.
Sir, if you could explain the question again.
Okay, so let me explain it. Hmm. Okay, see, you have to create two files. One is banker.java, one is customer.java. Okay. Customer Java file can have one constructor, okay, to create account, or you can write a method. Anything is okay. And this customer class has different methods like deposit amount and withdraw amount. Okay, and in the banker class you have to create the object. Okay, you have main method for sure. In the main method you have to create an object for customer. By using the object of customer, you can deposit the money and withdraw the money. Okay, and you have to store, okay, this program in package called, package com dot bank service, and you have to store this program in same project com dot bank service. And here you have to import, okay, com dot bank service, because you need to import customer class. Import com dot bank service dot star. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, Rupa, got it?
Yes, sir.
So you have to create one package for sure and import the another class from the banker class. Everything clear, boys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think this is bit complex to execute the things. Okay, so don't worry. From tomorrow, we will install Spring Tool Suite. Okay, in the Spring Tool Suite, we can design a program. Okay, we can design the different packages. We can establish the different communications. Okay, I think it's clear for everyone. Okay, shall we discuss something? Yeah, Ask me any doubt, no? I think it's 11:50. So, I mean, it's not a better to start a new concept now. So, please ask me some doubts. We are having a
Sir, in interim assessments, we have questions like our daily assessments.
Yes, yes. You are having the daily assessment questions, no? Very similar to that questions.
Okay, sir.
And all
Sir,
questions are MCQs.
okay, sir.
And you have to score minimum 75 percentage. 70,
Sir,
70 or 75. Yes.
sir, we start revision for that in our classes or not?
Okay. You guys need revision.
Yes, sir, at
Yes, sir.
least 5 days before.
Okay. Okay, we can play some games. Okay, I mean, we have a lot of ideas to play games. Okay, so we have a website called Kahoot. Okay, I'll plan something. Don't worry, we will revise the things from 25th or from 26th onwards. We can revise the content. Okay.
Okay, sir. It is better for all of us.
Mm-hmm.
So can we get previous year questions of midterm assessment?
Sorry, Ketan.
So previous year question of midterm assessment.
No, we didn't have. Okay, I'll try to gather. I'll try to gather, Ketan. I don't have any. I'll try to gather.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Suresh.
Sir, this lab day I will not attend to.
This lab day.
Yes, sir. This week because
Okay.
of my exam for TCS.
Okay. So don't worry, we will revise the content
Yeah.
from Rohan. We
For
can.
one other question,
Hmm.
for Friday I gave to the LMS access.
Hmm.
I'm not taken for 5 o'clock because of my personal work. So after I'll
Hmm.
take to 7 o'clock, I will see the anyone can perform my use of lab access can taken for my.
Okay, somebody took your assessment.
Yeah, I don't know who are taken my assignment.
Really? Guys, what
Yes.
you are doing?
Yeah,
I,
can you
Hmm.
log in and see it, sir?
Okay. What is the score? How much score you got in that?
For ninth only two taken assignment.
Okay. If you, I mean, if you mistakenly open that particular assessment, okay, it will mark you as a completion. So make sure you have only one attempt. Arre. Okay. Okay. Better to reattempt, no? Just reattempt it.
Okay, sir.
So if you want to change your password, you can change the password. Okay. So I think you can change your password from profile. You can change the password, no? Okay. In that case, try to change your password. Guys, don't do like that. Don't open another assessment. Okay. If you are getting low score, it's completely okay. Did I scold you about the low scores? No, definitely not. Okay, please don't try to mass copy it. Don't do any malpracticing techniques here. Okay, so make it transparent. That's it. If you try to malpractice something, okay, definitely you are the only one who lost the content. You don't have it. Okay, let's take an attendance for today. Okay, Nikhil, still absent. Sandeep,
Present, sir.
Paras, Yogesh, Yogesh, Ashutosh, Sunil, long ago. Ketan, Ketan,
Yes, sir.
Kunjan, okay. Nishant, Nishant, Amit, Ankit,
Yes, sir.